your boy Damian Dupuis, your #1 off-market land specialist, hyper-focused on the infill lots. You are now tuned into the We Are Land Specialists YouTube channel, where I'm your host, Damian Dupuis. And this channel is all about teaching you how to flip land, how to make money, how to store money, and how to invest money. So if that's something that you will be interested in, you are in the right place. If it's your first time here, I want to welcome you. Thank you so much for checking me out. I appreciate your time and consideration. If you can go ahead and subscribe, like, and turn your notification bell on so you will not miss any more epic wild content from your boy. Okay. So today we're going to be talking about something that I'm really excited about, and it's basically a hack that I found through someone sending me mail. And basically we're going to be talking about how to increase your response rate on your blind offers. So today we're going to be talking about blind offer hack. Okay, so this hack that I learned it a couple months ago, probably 6-7 months ago. I did it one time and never did it again. Can you believe that? I will tell you exactly how that I found out this hack. I'll show you the hack, and then I'll show you a deal I did with the hack. Okay, so tell you a little quick story. Basically, I do buy land and hold land. Okay, so investors sends me correspondence just as well as I send other people correspondence. So I got a letter, a blind offer from a company. I don't remember the company name, but I thought it was a brilliant idea. And basically, on his blind offer, basically he had a little spot on there, which allowed me to counter offer him. I thought that was amazing. And it was just slipped in there, and he had a way where you can put a counter offer price and seller's initials. So as you can see, on my right hand side, this is an old contract that I got signed. I offered the seller $22,560. You can see that. Okay. Yes. All right. He countered me back at $23,400. Okay, so less than $1,000. He countered me back. Long story short, this lot was in Charlotte, North Carolina, and I was able to find a buyer. What I did was I put it on the MLS, flat fee MLS, and basically I put it out there for, I want to say, actually I can check. I can check what I put it out there for. Just to show you what I marketed at and how much did it cost me to put it on the MLS. It cost me $150 to put it on the MLS. All right, I just want to see if I can see the listing history. Okay, so 43,000. You may be asking, what do I offer on the MLS? Okay, so I listed it on the MLS for $39,900. As you can see, it sold for $41,000. Okay, less than 30 days later, as you can see this. So real time here, and basically I want to show you exactly how much I made on this deal, and why I think you should put this in your blind offers. Alright, let me show you how much I made on this deal. I'm looking for a HUD-1 settlement statement. Alright, I think I got one here. Alright, HUD-1. Alright, so I'm going to just scroll down on the HUD-1 settlement statement. And voila, as you can see, I made $15,148.69. Alright, I just want to point a couple things out to you. So you can see that I did pay a 3% commission, which came out to $702. It looks like List with Freedom, I guess that's, actually I paid $100 to list this property, but it looks like this company charged me $23.40. So the commission, give or take, was $702. Okay, and basically, if you're interested in this, REI Conversion is how you can do this. Pebble, the link is in the description if you want to get set up with them. This is where I send out my direct mail. This is basically my lifeblood of my business. This software right here. So as you can see, what I want to show you, which is the most important part, is not only having the purchase agreement, but also having an option where people want a little bit more money, they can counter you back and they can keep the bill rolling. Okay. All right. So you definitely, I just want to show you what I put here. Looks like I put our priority is to provide you world-class service. If you would like to move forward, you can mail, snail mail, or send a signed contract to us. Last but not least, okay, that's me offering to be a blessing to someone. Let's see here. We specialize in getting you the highest and best offer. So if our offer price doesn't work for you, please counter us below an initial. So I think you need to have some type of verbiage in there to kind of let them know, because most people won't know what that is. So you want to have some type of verbiage to say something like, if our offer doesn't work for you, please see below. You can counter offer us an initial. I need to start back doing this. This thing worked. And I got several offers. I wish I had them all pulled up, the deals that I got where people, I was trying to find them for you guys in my mail house, the deals that I got. Okay, this is one right here. Where they counted me back at 300,000. Looks like I offered them 11. I was like, maybe a little overpriced. But I was just trying to show you a couple where people will counter you back. Again, this is another one. $19,045. They counted me back at $38,900. All right. See if I can see another one. As you can see, this is a church. I offered them $5,000. They counted me back at $20,000. So this thing is very, very powerful. Very, very powerful. As you can see the results here. Just wanted to show you a few. And, again, this channel is all about adding value to you in such a way that you're able to go out there and make money. Not only make money, but you're able to build a business around your lifestyle. So if you're interested in building a business around your lifestyle, I do have a paid course. It is a small one-time investment of $997. However, it is A to Z how to do what I do in a box. Step by step, line upon line, precept upon precept. And I will highly recommend, if you are not making money yet, with land, if you're still on the fence, if you're still trying to figure this thing out, listen, I want to hold your hand. I want to partner with you. I want to be your coach, and I want to show you how you can do this too. So hopefully you got some value add out of this, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, the proof is in the pudding. I showed you a $15,000 assignment fee, which I was able to make in less than 30 days. People, they hear me preach this 21 to 30 days thing, but I mean, you do the math here. You do the math. You do the math. 1017 from 11.4. That's, less than 30 days. So again, if you want to learn how to get these assignment fees, want to learn how to do these deals, want to learn how to build a business around your lifestyle where you can control your time, okay? Because time is one of your most valuable assets. So I want to thank you for everyone out there. Thank you for all your people who support me. Thank you for everyone who leaves comments, everyone who likes, who shares. I appreciate you. If you haven't subscribed by now, subscribe. All right. I'm gone like the wind. On to the next one. Hope you have a great day. Appreciate you.